What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andrew back with another video. Now, as you can tell by the title, we have another trade breakdown, but this one's a little bit different. In this video, we're going over how I turned a $390 loss into an $800 win, netting me $400 profit for the day. And because this is the last trade of the year, I decided to give you guys a full trade breakdown starting from the daily chart, give you my full top-down analysis, and show you why I was able to hop back in the charts right after taking a loss. Without further ado, we're going to hop straight to it. As you can see, we're starting out on a daily chart. It was a Thursday trade, so I ended up marking up the Wednesday's daily high and Wednesday's daily low. As you can see, price was trending to the upside initially, so I was initially thinking buy, buy, buy. Price is going up, we're going to buy. But as you can see, price came back to the previous daily high and created a lower high. If you know price action, you know that that's not a bullish price. That's not bullish market structure. So I saw that initially, and I'm like, okay, cool. In the back of my mind, we're looking for buy, but if we see a sell opportunity, take it. Drop down to the 5-minute chart, you can see it a lot more clearly. Price is trending to the downside. So from this point, when I came to the chart, I'm just looking to sell. I don't even care to buy. The last time price was buying was at 1 o'clock in the morning, and that ain't got nothing to do with me. So when I came to the chart, I was looking to sell. I was looking to sell from this low right here. I was hoping price is going to give me a break and retest entry, as you see in my previous videos. And you can see my reasons for entry: trend, break and retest, and A1 price action. Trend, check, break and retest, check, A1 price action, meaning no wicks closed within this zone, check. So I entered on the break of the candle. Actually, I didn't enter on the break of the candle. I was a little bit hesitant with this trade because this candle was a little bit wild. We had 8:30 news coming out. So since I was hesitant, I ended up losing. I was supposed to enter on the break of the candle. I ended up waiting. Price ended up giving me a crazy wick and taking me out. Quick $390 out of there. Now, if I was entering and trading how I was supposed to, I should have entered on the break of this black candle right here. Stop loss where it was at, and I would have had a win. But because I was hesitant, I was scared, I was nervous. We had 8:30 news coming out. We had this crazy wick rejection, this crazy candle. I ended up entering a little bit later than I was supposed to and took an unnecessary L. But it's okay. Like I said, I trade from this was Thursday, so I trade from 7:30 to 10:30. I had a couple more hours looking for a setup. So I went in, back to the markets, drew up the supply zone here. This is my supply zone. Price broke structure right here, so this is where that push came from. This is my supply zone. I was going to wait until news came out to enter any more trades because I learned my lesson. The lesson was learned. We're going to wait until news. News came out, did something crazy. Crazy candle, very large, a lot of volatility in this candle, a lot of volume just entered, but A1 wick rejection of this zone, right? A1, no candle closed within that zone. So I was like, okay, cool. Again, this trade would have been large. My entry method is break of candle. In the previous videos, when price gives me A1 wick rejection, the very next candle, I set up my entry parameters. If I would have done that with this trade, this is what it would have looked like. That's not happening. I'm not going to enter a trade that large, especially with this being my last trading day, especially with me just taking a loss. I was not comfortable with taking 2 losses like that, especially if this one was going to be a big one if it was a loser. So I was not comfortable taking that trade. Waited for another candle to form, and this one was back to normal. Gave me perfect quick rejection of this resistance here, and then I ended up setting up my entry parameters. And as you'll see with this one, I went 1 to 2. The reason I went 1 to 2 is because, like I said, we just took a loss. So I was trying to get my money back and profit. You know, there's no reason to trade if you're not making money. This was the entry candle right here. Price wicked me in the entry. Placed my stop loss above the candle. And we let it rock out. We let it do what it's going to do. Boom. There's 1 to 1 hit. There's 1 to 2 hit. Easy money. The reason I was okay with holding for 1 to 2, like I said, usually I just do 1 to 1, but I was watching this wick right here, and I wanted to see how price closed below that wick. As you can see, it smashed through that wick. I also saw another wick over here, and I wanted to see how price closed below that wick also, just to see if I was okay with holding for 1 to 2. Now, once price closed through these 2 wicks with all this volatility, with all this volume, with this momentum, I was okay with holding for a 1 to 2, and I kind of wanted to hold it all the way down to the previous daily level to really, really, really go out with a bang. But I didn't. I took my daily bread and got out the market. But as you can see, price came right to this daily level. So that probably would have been like a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6 type trade. It would have been a very, very great day in the market. But nonetheless, I'm still very excited with the profits I received. Turned a $390 loss to an $800 win, netting me $410. So I'm okay with that, you know. We got out the chart at 9 o'clock. So from 7:30 to 9 o'clock, that's an hour and a half. I made $410 in 90 minutes. You find me a job where you can do that at, and I'm going to sign up because hey, that's easy money right there. Like I said, this is my last trade of the year, so I'm done dropping trade breakdown videos. Drop in the comments what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see me go over supply and demand? Do you guys want to see me go over break and retest? You guys want to see me go over wick rejections? What do you guys want to see? You guys want to see some technical analysis? Or you want to see some psychology videos going over how I'm able to hop back in these trades after taking a loss? How I'm able to keep my mind straight when taking losses while I'm in these trades. Why I trade the 5-minute. Drop in the comments what you guys want to see, man. If not, I'll just pop back out in January and we'll hop back with the trade breakdowns, man. But nonetheless, it's your boy Drew. I appreciate you guys checking in. I'm checking out. Peace.